Good morning, guys. As you all know, my name is Chef Victor. I'm here with one of our brother who stays in China for decades. He was born and brought up in China. He's our tea brother here. So he came around and he visited our kitchen, and he will be discussing with you guys. We want to appreciate Naira for the support of the question and everything. So while he will be speaking in China, I will be interpreting in English, because myself, I don't do China for like 5 years. So I know. So make we go. So he said make I tell una say una welcome to this video. So I think come this Benue like this, everywhere just smooth. They're very, very say for this area, I think just enter this Naira because it's a big meat chicken. Then they eat with keisha, so they are put there very sorry. Say he enjoy the food. Say I think they eat, in body just they do brick. Say he enjoy the food well. Say this thing like this, it be like he no go travel, go back to China again. Say he no go again. Say he no they go again. Say make we find one Benue girl, one of his sister. Even as you know they hear tea wey sabi cook very well, when go marry, just settle down for this Benue. Say yes, make it be girl wey sabi cook very well, so that he go take care of it and he go teach me how to speak TV too. Person wey sabi cook won't get big nyash. See as he dey like this, once he get this girl married back, problem no dey, he no get problem again. Say na two things be problem now: food, better food. This our Benue food, and woman wey sabi cook. So I think call like this. If the worker, I think the worker and they see what the governor of Benue State say Makodi just they very calm. The way people they talk they Benue na bush. So I think call na so Makodi just they like one can city for China. Say he enjoy the state. Say once he marry for here, he go to carry some Chinese come Benue. We go call help us do some road and fly over for this town. Say very dark man self. When he visit China, he see very dark man self. All these people in the city for there, but he no know say na Nigerian people. Say he meet very dark man for that place. Now correct people. So make we just they support everybody with a good things like this. Say one thank everybody, one thank Naira Victor and other staff of the Naira Victor kitchen. Say everybody make it come, make you support Naira Victor kitchen. Say make it patronize Naira Victor. Say the kitchen they get better food. Everything when they say hey now collect. Say the whole Benue na here collect food day. Say goodbye to all of now who watch this video. Make una follow for YouTube too. I will tell you the YouTube channel for my comment section.
Alright, say Comedy TV.
Say in YouTube channel, Navasi channel TV for YouTube. Make una go subscribe. Make una enjoy the panga for there. Say God bless all of una. 2 people.